Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about some model questions that is related to Calcutta University postgraduate CBCS system semester 4. The module is 416. The title of the module is Historical Geography. First I will discuss about unit 1, that is called Historical Geography Conceptual Issues. Some possible questions are: question number 1, define historical geography. Then question number 2, discuss about the scope and content of historical geography. Next question is discuss the growth of historical geography as a discipline. Now question number 4, how did colonialism influence the understanding of historical geography? Question number 5, in what way historical geography differ from history? Now question number 6, enumerate and discuss the different approaches to study the historical geography. Now what is content of Akbarnama? Next question, question number 8, to what extent do classical geographies, dynastic archives and chronicles constitute basic source materials of past geography of India? Now what is meant by source material of historical geography? Question number 10, briefly discuss the significance of folk culture, religious text and chronicles as source material of historical geography. How it is important as a source material. Now next question, discuss the travel documents, that also as same as travel accounts. Travel documents, archives and chronicles as source of material to the study of historical geography. Now question number 12, they explain why such source materials are narrative matter than analytical. Next question, examine the content of historical geography as an academic subject. Now question number 14, what is the significance of source material in context to the historical geography? Now question number 15, to what extent do travel account by the foreign traveler constitute basic source material of past geography? Now unit number 2, the title of the unit number 2 is the Historical Geography of India. What will be the questions? The question number 1 in unit 2, that is explain how India has achieved her identity in terms of population dynamics, pilgrimage and scared places. Now question number 2, how did gender relation developed in a Vedic period in India and is it still relevant in the Indian society? Now question number 3, assess the impact of travel literatures on development of historical geography of India. Now question number 4, what are the salient features of travel account written by Bernier? Same question will appear in case of Ibn Battuta, in case of Hwang-Sam. Next question number 7, discuss the development of agriculture in India during the Mughal period. That is very crucial. Agricultural development during Mughal period, industrial development during British period. That is very crucial. Now question number 8, what are the characteristic features of agricultural development during the colonial period in India? Next question, critically discuss the characteristic features of colonial economy. Next question number 10, give a brief account of transport, agricultural marketing and industrial development during colonial period in India. Now, in what way the British policy adversely affect the industrializations in Eastern India? Explain it with suitable examples. Now, write a brief note on life and contribution of Hwang-Sam. Next question, what are the salient features of travel account on India given by the Hwang-Sam? Now question number 14, describe the travel account of Hwang-Sam from the economic and political aspect of Indian historical geography. Next question that is very important, differentiate travel account of Hübenshan from that of Ibn Battuta. Now question number 16, enumerate the economic characteristics of colonialism. Question number 17, discuss the impact of British policy on industry and agriculture of Eastern India. Now question number 18, discuss the relationship between pilgrimage and population dynamics in the development of the Indian society. Next question, briefly discuss about the scared places in India. Next question, question number 20, discuss in brief the relationship between agrarian society crisis and agricultural reforms during Mughal periods. Next, critically assess the development of transport network in Eastern India during the colonial period. Why they have developed the transport network in Eastern India at that time. Next question, question number 22, write a note on enclave economy. The last question, that is question number 23, write a note on port-oriented industry. That's all. Those are the model questions related to historical geography. I hope this can help you.